welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to make vertical text in Elementor. So with premium accounts you can use advanced CSS, but right now we're using the free one. So we will show you how to make vertical text even if you're using a free version. So first we'll start with a text. So let's add a text editor here. Okay, now we'll just write something smaller. Maybe we'll write vertical, the word vertical. So the easiest way to make it vertical is to do it from here. Select it and press enter. Right? So this is how you can make your text go vertical. And then you can go to the advanced section to select the position. Let's say this one, the align one, center. You can put it on the end, or just keep it center. And you can add some paddings and margins too. It goes same with the heading too. If you put a header and you could do the same, it will look just like this. Okay, the next one, we will try a header. Okay, so we'll do the same. We'll put vertical here again. Okay, so this one is a little bit tricky. So write down what you want to be vertical and then go to advanced and then scroll, and here you'll be able to see the word transform. Okay, now select rotate and then put 90. So it's gone from the screen, right? So you can also put minus 90, and so the way you like, that's fine. After that we'll have to go to the style and then select center. So this is how it is looking. It's looking a little bit bad, right? So we can go to the advanced again and put a margin here. So we'll just unlink this, and margin on the top we'll put 100. So see, like it's vertical now and it's a little bit farther away from this text. So I know that this is not properly way to make vertical text, but this is what you'll have to do with the free version of the Elementor. And if you have an advanced one, you can use advanced CSS. I'll try to put the advanced CSS on the comment section below. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.